Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We are doing a few small projects today. Well, one's a bit bigger project today. And as you can see, our weather is fairly nice. We will be doing a bit of a fence line thing for the chickens. We'll lay some plastic down there so that I don't have to be cleaning fence line all summer. And then we'll be prepping and planting our potato rows today. So we'll get to it and bring you along.
Unplug the chickens. Unplug the chickens. Punch this one through.
Yep. Find the hole.
I think George is happy to be gardening with you again.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We're out. Out of staples.
Just about. Well, I have a couple left. One here. No.
Two more wires over looks like a comet over there.
I think that's not. No, it's hugs. Oh, it's hugs, okay. You don't recognize them very well, do you?
All these cats look alike to me. Fur, tail. Okay. Okay.
No, I'm going that way. Now I'll step a post in here.
It wants to fall over.
I know, I'm going to put a post.
I know. Just making an observation.
I gave it wood one.
But you will have to do me a favor someday.
She does, she lays your eggs.
Oh, okay. Well, then we're where? All right.
Pull that up for you. Well, it's the next morning, people, after we got this fence line fixed up here. My camera ran out of space, and actually it needed a full recharge after that yesterday, so I will show you the fence. There we go. As you can see, we now have some plastic around the bottom. I did this so that, well, for two reasons: to hold the compost inside to give me a depth on it a little bit, and to basically not really have to maintain the fence line so much this summer. We went all the way around, just put wood on the inside up against the plastic there. And this plastic down, this was an old grain bag that we got off of a farmer, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 3 anyway. And man, have we used it for just about anything you could put plastic down for. And of course, as you can see, with some good corner bracing, that fence is now standing up a lot better. It was pretty saggy before because we didn't brace it until we wanted to do this. So I will go and get the chores done, and then I'll take you up and see the chicks. And here we are. It's an update on these little chickies. They are all doing well. We did lose one. He just kind of got smushed. Oh, you know what? We got another one like that right there. This happens because they crowd. I'll have to get him out, and I gotta refill food and water, of course. But as you can see, this is something that happens. And it's just an unfortunate happenstance of having them. They will crowd each other sometimes. I'll get him out. And you can't cry over spilt milk because you got a lot of other ones to look after. Hey chickies, don't be crushing each other here. Come on, get out of there. Running under there. The rest are doing really well. You see, it's just what happens when you have as many very small animals as these guys. And that is why the hatcheries very often send you a few extra, just because, you know, things happen in shipment, even with their setup where they ship pretty much direct. But small animals aren't very tough when they're newly bored or newly hatched. But we're doing really well to only have lost 2 now. Last year was worse for a couple of reasons, but I don't need to bother that. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and we will keep on bringing you updates. See you.